right. So a few days ago, I've released an update for KV 66. So now it's going to be time to work on the next thing, which is going to be Scrolla. And what I want to do for Scrolla, so the current issue is there's going to be that one split window with 0 to 9. So here's the problem. Let's see if we can do now. Yes, so the problem is that Scrolla detects areas that have scroll bars, or like what we call like scrollable areas. So for example, in this case, currently in things, there's like two places. So Scrolla detects the places, and you can switch from one to the other and use Vim moves to scroll. Now this doesn't work in two cases. One case, yeah, and also like Scrolla only detects when you're able to scroll. Like now the left side, the sidebar, you can't scroll it, so it just ignores it. So it doesn't work in two cases. It doesn't work for most of like 99% of the Electron apps. I think there's only one that works, one or two, because those apps don't really care about accessibility, so they don't expose anything. So for example, or they don't expose properly. So for example, Slack, although we are supposed to be able to scroll in at least two places here, Scrolla cannot detect. So it's gonna instead take the whole window and put the cursor in the middle. So we can scroll here, but what about if we want to scroll on the sidebar on the left? We would have to move the mouse, which we really want to avoid doing, and do this. Another way could be, now that I'm thinking, we could use Whooshy to move the, no, we would not be able to do this actually, because if we start Scrolla, it puts back the cursor in the middle. Yeah, so I really need to do that 1 to 9 kind of things, which is going to be, oh yes, oh wait, and the second case is on the web. Also, you can't, so first of all, here on GitHub, you have two places where you should be able to scroll, and scroll like the web page doesn't expose its things. So like Scrolla can only scroll here. If we move the cursor on the sidebar, then we can scroll. So the idea here is to, when like to add some kind of fallback mode. So like you start Scrolla, and if it doesn't detect anything, or if you want to move the cursor around, you can do it manually. So from 1 to 9, the idea is to cut the current window in a grid of 9 places. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you press 1, it goes like around. It's not going to be like pixel perfect thing. It's more going to be like close to the left, top left border. And so that you can manually choose where you put the cursor in like worst cases, and be able to scroll wherever you want. So that's the idea. This is definitely feasible technically. Now I don't know yet how it's going to change the structure of the current structure of like the Scrolla engines and etc. etc. So what we're going to do now is just play around and see. And most probably than not, it's going to give me ideas about later how I'm going to have to implement this properly with like automated tests, and how I have to refactor and morph the structure of Scrolla. So this is like, I just have the N ID in mind, and I have no idea where we're gonna go. So that's like a super fun part. So here we go. Oh. And we're gonna work on a master branch because this is just for us to learn where we're going. So at the end of the day, we're gonna erase. We're gonna reset the whole thing. So the first thing to do is going to be to register the key press. So that's gonna be around here. Let's remove. Select here. Move cursor to top left of window. Scroll to the most right. Move cursor to top left to the top left. Scroll. Move cursor to top left. So we need it's gonna be in the protocol. Move cursor to top left. Okay, and then it needs to be implemented somewhere. We're gonna put here for now. Move cursor to top left. Print. Okay, I'm gonna close Scrolla by. Okay. I was pressing it twice, I think, so we need also to stop action press. Like this. Scroll action. It's not gonna be a scroll, huh? Oh, start step. No. What is this press? Oh. This will work. Oops. Okay, whatever. Cursor to top left. Sorry, no action. cursor to top left, so we're gonna need the coordinates of the window. Okay, so we're gonna have to extract this later, probably. This we don't care. This window. Most position, so that could mean X and Y. Focus window max Y, maybe. How would that work? Oh, so it's reversed. So, okay. Different APIs at Apple are done by different teams, and the origin of the screen depends on the team. So some put 00 here, top left, some put 00 bottom left. So I think the issue here is that this is reversed. Yes, it's like the different APIs of different teams. Yes, okay. Which means we're gonna need the screen. Oh, we do have the mains display engine. I do have. Oh yes, I do have something to calculate. Oh wait, display engine. Because this is going to affect the multiple screens, so I should have something that cache screen where focus. Yes, exactly. Where's the thing to look? What? Strange. Okay. Where's this focus application? So maybe it's not in the protocol. Maybe it's going to be in. Screen where focused window is. Yes. Shit. Yes, I'm using focus window. Okay. So this is to calculate, which screen. Counting the different I remember these bugs. Yeah, so this is wrapping all the bugs and the differences in the APIs. Okay. Which means we okay, well, let's focus and then let's screen where focus window is equal display engine dot screen where focus window is using focus window. Else return. Which means here we should have a screen where dot heights minus yes. Nice. Okay, so now what we wait, plus min x plus 50. Usually how far would be, okay, at screen. XY. So it would be plus 50 or so. Because we don't want to work with percentages. We want to work with pixel, because even if this is bigger, yeah, the sidebar stays the same. What about slack? Exactly. So okay, maybe 50 is not. What about if it was here? So it'd be like, let's put. That's going to be very approximately. I don't. We need to see the first release and then see. Because oh yeah, what I want to do maybe a later stage is you press 1 and then it goes here, and then if you press 1 again fast enough, it goes 1 inside the. It's like recursive cubes. Recursive squares. Like you could do, for example, okay, you could do like 1 and then it goes maybe here, but if you do 3 right after, then it goes here. If you do 1, it goes here. Like we can place the cursor wherever we want, but that's gonna be for. I'm not sure if it's really needed. I need to see how people use this first, because I personally don't use any Electron apps, so I'm not sure. Okay, that kind of looks okay. 1. Okay, so what about if we do also 1, 2, 3, 4, just for fun? Let's do 4. 4, and then move cursor to middle left. Middle left. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. Cursor to top left, move cursor to middle left, and probably we need to do this. Yes. Okay. Okay, and then Scrolla engine. Oops. Where's it to middle left? So that would be, rather than height minus. Divided by 2? No, I don't think so. Okay. Oh shit. 4. Exactly, that's done. Need the min y. Kind of. Okay, but we can remove the 68 there here. Actually, we don't even need this anymore. Cool. Slack. So 1, 4. Cool. Okay, I want to do just for like the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I think we're okay for 5. We're okay for wait. Move cursor to middle. Hehe. No. Move cursor to middle left. Middle top, middle. Yeah, middle of window. Cool, we have the mid X already. Cool. Slack, so we could do 1, 4, come here or come back here. Cool, okay. Wait, doesn't work? Yes, it works. Okay. Okay, so one thing I need to check. Check moving manually. Wait, check the promise. Check moving manually the cursor at different screen resolution because of pixel test with multiple screens. When I'm tabs with multiple monitors because screen screen coordinates and what and size in order to calculate the manual cursor moves. Okay. Well, there is something else that I would like to do, and that would be so that part is not really hard, and I'm going to have to refactor this and extract this from, where is that, preload? No, prepare form. Yeah, okay. So let me get the window, because that's gonna be okay. The other thing I want to do is, let's say Slack. Okay, when we go manual, then this the scroller highlight becomes not like a primary target. So if you have a primary target, for example here, yeah, this is the primary. Left, right is the primary now. Bottom, left, middle, bottom, left, middle. So, and I would like to have exactly, if I press, then everything becomes non-primary, so that users know that they're now moving the cursor manually. And this is done by what? This is done by the target. I think that's going to be harder. Target, primary target, highlights. So what is primary target? Is there UI target? Oh, so that's gonna be okay. So let's say, so what we could do? Oh, is that gonna be easy actually? Move cursor to the middle. What we could do? So let's say we move target top left. We move, and let's say, so all the targets, we have targets that primary target. Could that work? No. Yeah, it doesn't work. Why it doesn't work though? So when it draws the targets, draw draw init frame target view. Where do I have target view? The canvas, scroller target view, target view. It's gonna be the canvas. So we need to change the highlights, and the element is gonna be the window. Highlights, so we're doing current ball count is 0. We've been the load. Wait. Return workspace frontmost application focus window. Exactly. So this is scrollable area, or else this is the window. Means if we go manually, we have to reload, but with, so we can't just do this, we have to have two. That's going to be harder. That's going to require some changes. Because you need to redraw the target. And we could remove the highlight by passing something here, or we could do a different reload. Highlight element, what about, okay, just, or is this top left? So what about if we were doing, scrollable area? So we need the load first. Oh no, that's different. Yeah, that still works. Okay, so that's the no. Yeah, that's here. We get the window if there is no. Element, do we have the roll? targets their target. So targets that row. We're not gonna have this target. Oh, we have element. Okay. So we have target that element. What targets that elements that for each. Now. Fuck. Map. Just do this. That's roll. Yes, we do have. So if the roll is a window. If the roll is a load after, but it's gonna be in the higher orders. Order set the accessibility elements. So we can't. We have to create an order set of the target of the element of each target. I think for today I'm gonna have enough of this. Okay. And I think nice. So I need to think. I need to digest this because I will have to do some changes to handle this, the digits. But it's not gonna be a big work. But I'm not sure how I have no idea yet how I'm gonna do the highlighting thing. And I don't think it's worth spending some hours playing with this now. I need to just do something else, cook or hike and let my brain come up with solutions. So I guess that's gonna be it for today. What I'm gonna do though, I'm not gonna erase this because that's actually, I'm gonna keep working on that same base next time. What do I do? Do I whip? It's master. I'm gonna leave it like this for now. Alright. This is gonna go. Okay. Bye.